my back look kind of big for this angle. I might be gonna hold. I'm closing this video out. I feel so. Oh my god, this is gonna be a closure. This gonna be fun. No flitter, y'all. No flitter.
But you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you.
Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's your girl Anaya, but you can call me Naya, and I'm back with another video. So y'all, today we're about to install this closure wig, and y'all about to do it with me because I don't want to do it by myself. And yeah, y'all, so I ordered this wig from Amazon. We love bone on a budget over here, y'all. We love wigs that are cheap, economical, and they get the job done. So 26-inch wig, you'll see it, blueless. And here we're gonna do it today. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Yeah, so got my wig pan. And I got a little closer wig this time because I don't know how to install a frontal on myself. Me and my hairstylist beefing right now. So I got this wig in 26 inches, but from the looks of it, look kind of long. So this is her. This is her. Okay, she got a little body yaddy, little closure. This is she. Okay, bounce. And we're unpackaging her. And it has it, y'all, this is glue. This is my first glueless wig. I'm psyched up because sometimes I just be wanting to take the wig off at night. Like, I don't want to have to keep the wig on. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to install this glueless wig. Yo. Beyonce loading.
Have anybody ever tell you you look like Beyonce?
Nah, they usually tell me I look like Shalissa.
But anyway, y'all. So first thing first, I'm going to bleach the knots. And then I'm going to also color the hair darker. I want it to be like a dark jet black. I want it to give jet black. It's fall, so I feel like we're just going to go a little bit darker. So far I let her air dry a little bit, and I just realized that they pre-cut the lace and they put the band in there so it could be glueless. So now we about to go on with this heat protectant spray. And I don't want to do too much because I don't want it to get oily. So right now I'm pre-plucking this wig. I said I'm pre-plucking it. Right now I'm plucking this wig. Y'all, if a company ever tell y'all that a wig came pre-plucked, they lied to y'all. They don't be pre-plucking these wigs. To be honest, I don't even think they really tried for real. This wig was super thick at the base, and I feel like it was very much given George Washington.
What?
Very much full. Very much mad hair. I guess I would appreciate more hair than less hair, so I'm not gonna complain. But y'all see what I'm doing. I'm just doing plucking. I'm new to this, not true to this. So I'm just doing my very, very best. That's all you could do. My mom told me to do my best. But y'all, stop like, man, my back look kind of big for this angle. I might have been my back look kind of big. Are y'all unbigging y'all backs? Or y'all waiting for y'all backs to unbig themselves? Y'all speak this in myself, y'all. Because I'm just saying, I feel as though sometimes we feel like the body's just going to body by themselves. But I mean, what month is it? It's November. We got approximately December, January, February, March, April, May, June. 7 more months until next summer. We got 7 months to get this shit right. So what y'all gonna do? Y'all gonna get in the gym or no? But yeah, y'all, I'm about to keep plucking. I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. I just want y'all to take accountability for a second. Nothing too crazy.
Now, who the fuck you think you talking to?
Plucking. And I just want you to know, by no means am I doing a tutorial right now. I'm just like y'all. So if I come out looking a mess, don't say call me nice, sent y'all.
A few moments later.
Remember when I told y'all it wasn't a tutorial, right? Because I already put a bald spot in it. This is why I don't do my own hair. Because, you know, I'm not going to count myself out yet. I'm going to just keep going. But y'all see, it's like a little, I mean, it's going to be a middle part. So hopefully I can like maybe like finesse the situation a little bit. But I'm just going through pressing the hair back like this, like so. And then be going from there. So I'm going to just keep doing this. Sister about to bring me down.
I got these 2 dookie braids in my head.
You good thing you pretty. It don't really matter. I'm gonna miss my little bun situation. It was cute. So y'all, I'm gonna just take some of this got to be gel. So y'all, it's so funny because every time I do wigs, I always realize how big my forehead is. And like, I'm a baddie regardless, so it is what it is. But I think it's always so funny. Oh y'all, the glue not trying to. Come on, glue. That's all I got. The glue not trying to glue, y'all. What the heck? This ever happened to y'all before? I had to cut like a little piece off the top. Ooh, did it even cut? I don't think, yeah, it did. Oh, sucky now, the glue not gluing. It's coming out super slow. Yo! Mora, the glue exploded everywhere. Yo, I can't believe that just freaking happened. I had to clean up the mess because it made a huge mess. But the show must continue, so I just basically scraped up all the stuff that was on the thing, and then this is the part I literally always have a hard time with, and that's placing the whatchamacallit in the lace. I don't even want to use this freaking comb. Damn, I can't believe this. Wow. It's the middle. I really can't believe that. I'm still mad at the Ghost Bond right now. I'm not featuring that glue because why would I ever play with it like that? But y'all, on the right side, scalp is trying to scalp a little bit. go through section by section, and I'm gonna spritz it to get it flat, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all where I'm at with it. Alright, y'all, so I'm almost on this side. I'm about to line up this part. If I don't know how to do a middle part, all you gotta do is line from the center. And then go from there. That's the center of your face. I'm sorry, I'm not talking to y'all because when I be doing this, I really be trying to concentrate for real. When you pressing something, you always got, this is the hot part. This bridge right here, this is the hot part. So you want to bend it so that way it's actually pressing. Otherwise, you're not really doing nothing. So it's giving. I'm about to just go in with this foundation and clean up the parts. And yeah, y'all see me the transformation for real, because I looked at like the first sleeve when I had the braids in, and that was good. A little more spritz on top of the part. I ain't had no wax stick, so I just use spritz for real. Ooh, this shit, yeah, this is hot, I tell you. Let's pull the baby hairs out and then get that section up. Into the baby hairs now. I'm using this got to be glue, and I use a small tooth comb versus using one of these type of combs. I feel like it's easier to swoop it when I do this. Okay, y'all, let me find out. I'll do a little bit. Yo, I just feel like I ate this. Yo, I ate that one thing. Don't play with it, y'all. I feel so, oh my god, yo, this is really a closure, and it's giving frontal. No flitter, y'all, no flitter. Yes. But yeah, y'all, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Don't forget to join the family and subscribe, y'all. I love y'all. Until next time.